Hi there, students. To contravene, a transitive verb, and then contravention as the noun, uncountable, to be in contravention of something. Okay, to contravene means to break a law or a rule, to do something that's not allowed. So the action that he took was in contravention of the law. Okay, this contravened the company's policy about this type of thing. Okay, so to contravene, to break a law, to break a rule, not to follow an order, not to do what you're told to do. So the sergeant gave him an order to do something, but he contravened the order by refusing to do it. Okay, so you're contravening something. You're not obeying a rule. You're not doing what you promised to do. This product contravenes the safety codes. It doesn't follow the codes. It's in contravention of this. Okay, so if something is prohibited, then you are in contravention. You can be in contravention of a treaty. So there's a treaty between the two countries, and if there were any contraventions of the treaty, then problems would ensue. Okay, so to be in conflict with a right or a principle, to contravene somebody's rights, to be in conflict with. So, contravention, in contravention of something. So this is in contravention of what you promised that you would do, to violate, to contradict, so to infringe, to disobey. Breach of contract is when you do something that is in contravention of a contract. To transgress as well, if you like. Okay, so you doing something that is forbidden by a law or a rule. To contravene the law, to contravene a regulation, to contravene a code of conduct, to go against, to infringe. Okay, so what the banks were fined for contravention of their code of conduct. They didn't follow the rules, and therefore they had contravened the rules. Okay, so this is the idea of to contravene. A sailor contravened a direct order. Okay, this contravenes everything that might be considered moral. So, to contravene, to conflict with, this contravenes our rules and regulations. Okay, it contradicts, it infringes. Okay, the dictator was found guilty of contravening basic human rights. He acted against. He didn't follow the rules. So if you're in contravention of something, you haven't done it properly. You haven't done it according to the rules. Okay, so let's see. Formality, contravene. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5. You could use it in a semi-formal conversation, maybe a 7, 6.5. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from French, contravenir, which comes from Latin contra, against, and venio, come. So to come against, contravenio, I oppose. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To contravene